Then get up, get dressed, before work's off my list. What's left to do, just guess. It's you, my favorite, but
All right, guys, look at this beautiful table that I got for a huge discount at Ross. It only had 2 nicks on the leg, and I showed you in a previous video how I was able to repair this expensive table. Now watch how I decorate my home in the boho modern style. Now, if you are unaware of what the boho modern style is, then I want you to stick around to the end because I have some surprising ways you can transform any room in your home in an instant. So let's get to it. With the throw. I went to Home Goods and they have some beautiful throws there for $19.99. I already had one at the house, but something told me to try this throw. Look at that. This is a throw. And because I have curves in my couch, this throw goes right with the curves in my couch. And I can have this any color I want. This can be orange, this can be brown. Plus I have reversible cushions underneath this throw. All right, guys, so I told you in a previous video, you have to figure out what you really like. I showed you that I love, pillows, and this is also the boho style. And so I don't buy pillows anymore. I buy pillow covers, and I put a pillow cover inside of this when I want to switch them out. This one I'm displaying with this. And this goes right with the couch. This goes right with the couch. So I'm very excited about how everything is coming along. So I went on and I got another throw from Home Goods, and I covered the bottom of my couch, and that started just brightening up the whole room. Brightening up the whole room to whereas everything wasn't just brown. I want to break up that brown and bring in greens and oranges and tans and things like that. So let me show you this other beautiful thing that I bought, but I got this from Ross. Guys, look at this. I bought this beautiful carved bubble faux fur rug. It's a 24 by 60. I bought this beautiful rug from Ross. Look at that. Look how pretty that is. But I'm not using it as a rug. I use it over here as a throw. And like I said, guys, because I love changing up so much, when I'm ready to use this as a rug, I will. But it is so pretty. Look at that. I'm using it as a throw on my couch. Look at that. That is a beautiful throw for a couch. And that's what it will always be. I would never use this as a rug. I can tell you that now. I'm not going to use that as a rug. No, that's going to be my throw for my couch. And it goes right along with everything else. The other thing that I picked up from Ross that is absolutely beautiful, guys, is this basket. Now, I'm going to put something in it, maybe, like some long feathers or something like that. But this was at Ross for $8.99. And look how beautiful that is. I am going to show you another piece of material I got from Ross. Guys, look at this beautiful basket. This is a beautiful basket. This basket is very sturdy, it's strong, and I got this from Ross as well. And this was for $24.99, and it is absolutely stunning. I love it underneath my table that I also got from Ross for a big discount because it was damaged, but I have since then fixed that, and I made a video on that. All right, guys, so like I said, I'm changing my front room into the boho modern look. And the other thing that I got from Ross is this beautiful, beautiful basket. This is a beautiful basket that I got from Ross. And it was $19.99. $19.99 from Ross. But guys, I'm not going to use this as a basket. Let me show you what I am going to use this for. All All right, by now I hope you have commented, liked, subscribed, and shared so you will not miss the content that's coming your way. Guys, I have been doing a lot of wonderful things. So let me show you what I use this for. You want to go to the Dollar Tree and get one of these, or Five and Below, because I got mine from Five and Below. But they also have these tables at the Dollar Tree in the $5 section. So you want to go get a stool. You want to take your basket, turn it upside down, and now this is a beautiful seat for your front room or anywhere you want your seat to go. All right, guys, well, I came up with that idea because when I went to Home Goods, they had the ottomans there, but the ottomans was like $70. They started from $59.99 all the way up to $70. And because I told you I like change, I wasn't gonna pay that much for an ottoman. So I came up with that idea. So tell me in the comment section down below what you think about that. Well, guys, that is it. Thank you for watching my videos. You guys are the reason why my channel is growing. So thank you so much. Hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video, guys. Thumbs up this video, guys. And until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another, and I'll talk to you later. Mwah.
Then get up, get dressed. Before work's off my list. What's left to do, just guess.